Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday. Oh, the day of rest for many. But there's no rest for the wicked. Nope. But today is going to be easier than normal. But I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, the culinary expedition was in full force. We first started with a live prep. It was super simple, but it was fun. Yeah. Yes. Last night, the expedition was in Lithuania, where I prepared, I'm just going to use the English translation, rye bread soup. It was good. The way all the flavors, being a simple soup, again, simple sometimes is best. But the way all the flavors from the bread and the mirepoix and everything just came together it was good. I got to quit making soups on 90-degree days. So it actually wasn't quite 90 degrees. But it was good. I ate the whole thing. Yeah. So look for the recipe. All right, I mentioned in the beginning that today's going to be a little bit easier. It's Sunday, so that means it's date night or Sunday dinner night here at the I can't even say my own name, Tomosic household. Robin is coming over for dinner. But we are tag teaming dinner. I'm doing all the prep, and she's doing the rest. She's doing all the cooking. On tonight's menu is the Reuben Bake. I discovered this recipe a few years ago, and we have enjoyed it since. Let's just get to it. So in yesterday's live prep, I already did the rye bread that goes in today's recipe, the Reuben Bake. So it's cubed up rye bread, butter, sauerkraut. I couldn't find the sauerkraut that I was looking for that I really enjoyed, but Clausen's is good. This is the cold version. I baked up this. I weighed this out before I actually baked it. It was 9 ounces, and this is what it looks like after being baked. Oops. Swiss cheese, I will, this is supposed to be shredded. You can't find shredded Swiss cheese. I've tried. So I will do my best and cut this up very nicely. Caraway seeds. And then what also goes in this is a dressing, a Reuben dressing or a Thousand Island. The dressing I'm going to make today: kosher salt, black pepper, mayonnaise, Heinz tomato ketchup, Lee and Perrins Worcestershire sauce, some lemon juice, and some pickle relish. This is technically called a Russian dressing, but I have used it before in the Reuben Bake, and it is very good. The dressing recipe is a separate recipe from the Reuben Bake. So yeah, when it's time for posting, I will post both recipes. Robin really likes this dressing, so so do I. So this is why we're going to be using it today. All right, so on this Sunday, again, enjoy the weather because it's supposed to be nice. Have a great day. Eat great food. Oh, the announcement and slash invites for the butter chicken live will be going out today. And have fun cooking.